Hey everyone, Neely here, product manager by day and a website designer by night, back again with a Hubdate June edition. We built the Hub by GoDaddy Pro to streamline workflows and shave time off tasks that typically eat up your workday. We've got a couple of updates here for you, things that we're experimenting with and things we just launched. First off, we ran our first Hub office hours. We really wanted to connect with users, answer questions, and get feedback from our community. We'll be regularly hosting Hub office hours, so keep an eye on the Garage and the GoDaddy Pro Community to sign up for future installments. Next up, we have a couple of experiments that we're running, launching to about half of our users. The first one is the new site setup flow. So when you use the Hub to add an existing site or create a new site altogether, you'll either see at the top right an I want to button where you can either add a new site or create a new site, or a floating action button, or FOB we call it, to basically do the same thing. We're really serious about helping you save time right down to every click that you make. We're really seeing what helps you accomplish those tasks a little bit faster. But if you have a preference between the I want to button and the FAB button, I'd love to know your opinions down in the comments below. Next up, we've created a light version of the GoDaddy Pro Community so that you can get a quick glance at what's going on with your peers and other small business customers, where you can either learn new things, answer other people's questions, or just save it for later. And lastly, we're doing a couple testing with the RSS feeds on the home page, flip-flopping between the community RSS feeds and the GoDaddy Garage blog RSS feeds to see what you resonate with most. Do you like to see posts from others in the community, or do you want to learn something from the GoDaddy Garage blog? And that's kind of what we're testing to make this experience unique and tailored to you. As you can see, we're constantly testing and experimenting our way into new features for the Hub that are really tailored for you and all about helping you maximize your experience with your day-to-day lives as a website designer and developer. If you have any suggestions or feedback on the experience, make sure to drop it in the comments below or use that feedback button inside of the Hub. And if you want to get signed up for the Hub, you can do so at hub.godaddy.com. That's all I've got for you for your June Hubdate. Again, I'm Neely, and I'll see you next month.